Habits of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has a lot of benefits, which science and medical proved after many years of research. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to wake up early. He used to start his day by early, for Fajr prayer. Science proved that waking up early increases productivity, as well as people who wake up early are less likely to be depressed. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to eat less. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to eat less to prevent disease and sickness. After many years, science proved eating less can help you fight many diseases. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to eat slow. It takes 20 minutes to send signals to brain which tells that the tummy is full. Eating slow improves digestion, as well as slow eating is now highly recommended by science. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, always told us to eat together as a family. Today science proved that eating together reduces stress. Drinking water in 3 breaths. Modern science claimed now, drinking water at once can cause headaches, dizziness, and imbalance. Eating pomegranates. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, liked pomegranates, and today science declared pomegranates as the healthiest fruit on earth. Eating dates. Dates stabilizes the blood sugar level, electrolyte levels, and rebalance blood in our body. Fasting. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told Muslims to fast during Ramadan. And today scientists declared fasting in Ramadan is highly healthy and helps body fight cancer cells. Prayer. 3 out of 5 pillars of Islam keeps a human fit. Prayer is also a form of exercise. And obviously science tells us to do exercise daily to keep our heart and brain healthy.